I can officially say it's cold as a well digger's butt out here, but that don't matter. I'm fired up because today I'm bringing you this SCA Performance G2 review. Woo! Now, most people don't know this, but the SCA Performance G2 is actually our most off-road capable truck, and I'm fixing to show you why. To do that, we're going to start like we always do, with the foundation. This SCA Performance G2 has been equipped with a top-of-the-line 4-inch suspension lift system, which replaces the factory struts with coilovers, upgraded control arms, a rear leaf spring block, and stainless steel performance rear shocks. Now, for the true off-road enthusiasts, you know that a 4-inch suspension lift as opposed to our standard 6-inch suspension lift gives you a lower center of gravity, which allows for better handling and rollover prevention. The front coilover system and rear stainless performance shocks give better travel response across a variety of terrains, which allow for a smoother ride even in the most aggressive off-road conditions. To complement this top-of-the-line 4-inch suspension lift system, we've equipped this SCA G2 with SCA Signature 20-inch matte black wheels mounted on the Baja Champion BF Goodrich All-Terrain TA KO2 305/55 R20 tires. Now, on all other SCA Performance trucks, the SCA High-Clearance Front Bumper is an optional upgrade, but keeping in line with the off-road performance theme of the SCA G2, we've included the High-Clearance Front Bumper standard. This SCA GMC High-Clearance Front Bumper is handcrafted from 3/16 gauge, cold-rolled, zinc-plated, powder-coated steel for maximum durability. This bumper is equipped with an integrated skid plate for maximum underbody protection. We've replaced the factory fog lights with Rigid Industries DOT SAE approved fog lights, still controlled by your factory fog light switch. We've also included this Rigid Industries Radiance Series 20-inch LED light bar, which is controlled by the auxiliary lighting switch in the overhead console. It probably goes without saying, but not only is this SCA G2 well equipped from an off-road performance perspective, but it looks pretty doggone good too. One of my personal favorite upgrades to this SCA G2 are the black cracked powder coat rock rails with adjustable and removable side steps. When you're ready to dominate the off-road, remove the side step, but you've still got the rock guard protection. Fender widening flares give you increased body protection from mud and rocks. This truck's exterior has been equipped with carbon fiber G2 graphics. The interior has been upgraded with custom painted matte black trim pieces, carbon fiber G2 gauges, blue LED ambient lighting, and custom stitched G2 headrests. And of course, like I always say, you can't have a top-of-the-line off-road performance vehicle unless you've got custom stainless steel dual performance exhaust. To see a comprehensive list of options and upgrades available for the SCA Performance GMC G2, just go to scaperformance.com/GMC-G2. And when you're ready to start your new adventure in an SCA GMC G2 truck, just go to scaperformance.com/how-to-buy-SCA so you can get passion driven today.